If you've ever thought, I just want my website to work without all of this technical drama, I've got you covered. My goal in this channel is to make stuff simple so you can focus on what you love, creating amazing content. I'm Kathy from WPBarista, and I help bloggers, especially creative, smart women like you, simplify WordPress, SEO, email marketing, because running a blog shouldn't be all about the website. I mean, it is about the website, but it should be about the technical stuff. You're a good writer, so you shouldn't have to handle all the rest of the stuff. That's where we come in. On this channel, I break down everything from WordPress tips to security, to SEO, to strategies, to email marketing, so you can grow your blog and minimize the tech headaches. I've also been doing this for over 17 years, seeing the blogging trend come and go and change so many times. So if that sounds like something that would be helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notifications button.